Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you very interesting camera hack. In this video we will learn how to change the picture color live when you are capturing any picture on your device. So for this guys, you need an third-party application. First of all, open the Google Play Store and here you want to search color changing camera. Just you want to download and install this app. After download and install, just open this. As you can see guys, my wall color was by default green. I want to change the wall color. So in the bottom right side you can see different color. Just select the color of your choice. As you can see, the picture color was not automatically changing. As you can see, if you want to capture, just tap on camera button. That's it, the picture was not captured, as you can see. So guys, this is the very nice and very useful application to change the color of your picture live. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.